If you're looking at Vermont's theft laws in 2026, you're going to see huge numbers on the books, like 10-year prison sentences for stealing more than $900. But if you look at the actual data, the reality in the courtroom is much different. Here is the breakdown of what is actually happening. Vermont divides theft into two categories, petty and grand larceny, with a threshold of $900. If it's under $900, that's a misdemeanor. If it's over $900, that's a felony. Now, retail theft is where the state just got much tougher. Since Act 128 passed, there's now a tiered system. If you steal less than $250, you're looking at 30 days max. Between $250 and $900, it's 6 months for a first offense. But here's the kicker. Prosecutors can now aggregate or stack small thefts. If you get caught shoplifting multiple times in 6 months and the total hits $900, you're now facing a felony charge and that 10-year maximum penalty. But let's talk about actual time served. Even though Vermont law allows years in prison, the average sentence for a misdemeanor retail theft is only about 11 days. For felonies, it's only about 7.6 months. Most people aren't going to prison for a decade. Instead, judges are using split sentences, meaning that you may get a year of probation and only serve a couple weeks or a couple months in jail. There's also been a major shift towards restorative justice. In 2026, every county now has a centralized diversion program. If you're a first-time offender or you have underlying mental health or substance issues, you can avoid a criminal record entirely. If you complete a diversion contract, which usually means paying back the victim and doing community service, the state will dismiss your charges and seal your record 2 years later. So the laws are getting stricter for repeat offenders and high-value thefts, but the system still heavily leans towards rehabilitation for everyone else. Just remember, even if the average prison stay is short, a felony charge stays with you forever.